Tell me which party you follow. Tell me which party you follow.
No, I am not. I am not. Allah Kashmiri. I am not voter ID card.
Voter ID card. So tell me your opinion, bro. I'm just telling your opinion.
Opinion?
Yes, which party you
I am
follow?
not crazy about of politics.
Don't
You
craze.
like favor this, that's why I am doing.
So,
Because I want to do something.
I did in your topic.
If
Tell
according to
me.
me,
Yes.
both of sides is equal. Like BJP and Congress.
You trust in BJP party?
Under the cities,
I trust it.
under the city, Congress is the best. According to the BJP, is best of cover country. Cover.
Continue.
Don't you know Japan politics? Yes. Don't you know Japan politics? India is not developed for Japan and everything. India is developed in population. First number.
What?
So what?
Population
Don't you know
and jealousy.
population is so bad effect in your country?
Can I say?
Okay, let him chance.
I have a point.
But he wants to speak.
Stop, yeah. Stop.
He has a reply.
I have also.
रुक जाओ.
Okay, you.
You said about of the India.
Yes.
Don't you know about of the past? What happened with the India? That's why they unable to develop.
So they do population in very high much.
What do you want from the population?
It's a matter, bro.
What?
Population
Because
is matter, bro.
if population is high, economic
If population is high, then economic growth.
Don't you know reproductive health? Don't you know BJP politics?
Politician.
Politician is so nudely.
What? Outside. Yeah, sides.
Obscenes. You can say that obscenes. Nudity in their politics.
BJP party.
ये बातें किसी व्यक्ति वस्तु से ताल्लुक रखती है.
Bro, if you want to know
Terms and condition apply.
So it's happened in everywhere.
I know.
If you have a knowledge about the America,
You know about what the scene is.
Openly.
They openly do so many things.
Bad activity.
Bad activity.
He wants to speak. Yeah, let him chance. Okay, speak up.
He have a point.
You said that
Okay, let him chance.
you said that more population is very bad for the country. If the population increases, the Indian government can purchase goods and grains from other countries also.
Yes,
Okay, tell me
continue.
why BJP party spread nudeness.
The first of all, complete his question.
Tell me my point.
But he said that the population.
Because
First of all, we are discussing about the population.
First of all, we are discussing about the
Okay,
population.
tell me your family member.
6,
6,
Why don't you use production?
including me.
including you. Okay.
Plus matter नहीं है.
So,
So,
Who is earned? Who is earned? Who is earned?
my mother and father.
Or both?
Yes.
What's your mother's name?
Yes.
He is a nurse.
She is also.
She is in the nursing department.
That's why you don't able to speak
Department.
English.
Nursing department.
Let him chance. बोलो.
Yeah, continue.
बोलो.
She is in the nursing department.
Yeah.
Don't you know Indian population is so bad? Now this time one house is 10 people.
What do you think about
So
the
many
Japan,
things.
American?
Stop.
France.
Stop.
Yeah, let him chance.
It's
Yes.
our team.
Yes. Speak.
All I told you. What do you think about the Japan politics and American politics?
He is a developed country, bro.
So what?
So
It's
what?
politics.
We have a right for developing a population.
If you think about
you know
the-
about the
if you think
you know
about-
about the population of Japan.
Yeah?
Tell me.
This thing you think?
This thing
Oh. How much you think?
It's no more than India.
Yes, I also.
It's no more than China. China से ज़्यादा हमारी इंडिया की.
Yes. So,
It's a bad, bro. It's a bad because it's not the resources for the all children
But what's the relation between the politics? We are discussing about the population, any other things. But we are discussing about the politics.
You say that.
Okay, let him chance.
Indian population is so high, so its effect in the girls and boys, because now this time so many bad touches for the girls.
It is handed on the police. Handed to the police. It is handed to the police.
What about
Repeat again.
don't you know Telangana news?
Do you know about the Telangana news? Any other things?
Why don't politics stop that things?
Okay, let them chance to speak. Harsh, come to the point.
I don't want to say. He want to say.
You both are in
मैं
captured.
पूछ रहा हूँ,
Yeah,
मैं
yes.
पूछ रहा हूँ.
You all are the
Why
under the
Indian
surveillance.
politics can't stop these things like rape, so many things.
If you will become a prime minister, so you can control it.
Yes, I perfect my best. Do my best,
I'm
bro.
trying to do.
I do my best.
Like you. He is giving
So why?
me-
Okay,
You
okay,
take
tell me,
it
tell me.
and take in your
Okay,
hand. That's
okay,
why we
okay.
stop it.
Okay,
Yeah.
tell me. But you know about Telangana news?
I don't know.
क्या है? सर मेरे पास एक पॉइंट आ गया.
What's there?
सर
Tell
एक
me.
पॉइंट आ गया.
Then I will give you.
Let him complete.
एक पॉइंट आ गया सर.
Her married wife, they kill her husband in
Meet.
meet a ex.
That's the personality matter. Prime Minister ji come and say that.
So-
Why are you doing that?
भाई वोट मांगते समय क्यों आते हैं? वोट दो, मैं वोट दो. रैलियां जाती हैं,
Personally,
क्यों जाती हैं?
personally,
Do not don't use of Hindi.
क्या नहीं से?
हर दिन रैली जाती है.
Hey buddy, don't use of Hindi.
हर घर में 2000 रुपए जाते हैं.
Don't use of
चले
Hindi.
जाते हैं.
क्या नहीं
We
से?
are discussing in English.
क्या नहीं से?
It's your English debate, guide.
क्या नहीं से?
Let him chance.
You said.
ये शायद लगता है ये क्या